Imagine a spice so powerful it could potentially help you fight inflammation, relieve pain, and even aid in weight loss. No, it's not a mythical elixir, but the golden spice known as turmeric. This vibrant spice, often associated with the irresistible aroma of curry, is far more than just a culinary delight. It's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, celebrated for its potent healing properties. From the bustling markets of India to the health food aisles across the globe, turmeric has garnered a reputation as a natural wonder. But what makes it so special? Well, let's just say it's not your average spice. With over 30 scientifically backed benefits, turmeric is like the superhero of the spice world, always ready to come to your rescue. Whether you're grappling with arthritis or trying to fend off heart disease, turmeric could be your golden ticket to better health. And that's just scratching the surface. From cognitive health to skin vitality, we're about to embark on a journey to uncover the 30 incredible benefits of this golden wonder. So buckle up as we delve into the power of turmeric. Kicking off our list, turmeric earns its stripes as an anti-inflammatory titan. This remarkable root, with its vibrant orange hue, is nothing short of a powerhouse when it comes to battling inflammation. It's like the superhero of the spice world, swooping in to save the day when inflammation starts to wreak havoc in our bodies. Turmeric's secret weapon is a compound known as curcumin. This is the stuff that gives turmeric its anti-inflammatory superpowers. It's like a one-two punch against inflammation, helping to dial down the body's inflammatory response and providing soothing relief. But that's not all. Turmeric is also a champion for those grappling with arthritis. Now, we all know that arthritis is a real pain, literally, and managing it can be a challenge. But turmeric, being the anti-inflammatory titan that it is, steps up to the plate here too. Studies have shown that it can reduce arthritis symptoms, making it a natural and potent ally in the fight against this debilitating condition. Let's not forget about heart disease, the world's #1 health villain. It's a complex and formidable foe, but turmeric isn't backing down. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can protect against heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and preventing blood clots. It's like a tiny orange shield safeguarding our hearts from harm. So just imagine all this power packed into a humble root. It's like nature's own pharmacy right there in your kitchen. So next time you're feeling a bit inflamed, remember, turmeric might just be your golden ticket to relief. Scene script. Antioxidants are the body's little warriors, and turmeric, it seems, is their powerful commander. Picture this. Your body is a bustling city, and free radicals are the unruly hooligans causing chaos in the streets. But fear not, because antioxidants are the superheroes that swoop in to save the day. Now let's introduce turmeric, the superhero's superhero, commanding this army of antioxidants. Turmeric is like a double agent. Not only does it contain antioxidants, but it also enhances the body's own antioxidant enzymes. It's like having a secret weapon that not only fights the battle, but also strengthens your troops. This one-two punch makes turmeric an antioxidant ace. But what's the big deal about antioxidants, you ask? Well, they're crucial for our health because they protect our bodies from free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidation, a process that can trigger cell damage and has been linked to everything from aging to diseases like cancer. Now let's move on to cholesterol, the infamous bad guy in our body. Well, it turns out turmeric can help here too. Studies have shown that turmeric can help improve cholesterol levels. It does this by helping to reduce the levels of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, also known as bad cholesterol. So turmeric is not just a commander, but also a peacekeeper, maintaining harmony in our bodily functions. Lastly, let's talk about blood clots. They're like traffic jams in your blood vessels, and they can cause serious problems like strokes and heart attacks. Turmeric, with its antiplatelet properties, can help prevent these clots from forming. It's like having a traffic warden in your bloodstream, ensuring smooth and safe circulation. So whether it's leading the charge against free radicals, keeping cholesterol in check, or preventing blood clots, turmeric has got you covered. It's the all-rounder your body needs to keep things running smoothly. With turmeric on your side, you've got a formidable ally in the fight against oxidation. Ever wished for a spice that could give your brain a boost? Well, turmeric might just be your answer. Now let's talk about the mind, shall we? I'm not talking about mind games, but rather the power of turmeric to support cognitive health. Imagine this. You're solving a crossword puzzle and the words just seem to fall into place, or you're remembering facts like a walking encyclopedia. Doesn't that sound splendid? Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has been linked to supporting brain function, keeping those neurons firing on all cylinders. It's like the ultimate brain food, only it doesn't come with a side of fries. But the magic doesn't stop there. Turmeric also plays a role in reducing symptoms of depression. It's like having a little ray of sunshine in your spice rack, brightening up your day, one pinch at a time. Then there's diabetes management. Now, don't get me wrong, turmeric isn't going to replace your medication, but it can certainly help. It aids in regulating blood sugar levels, keeping things on an even keel. It's like having a little silent partner in your fight against diabetes. So, for a brainy boost, don't forget to sprinkle some turmeric in your next meal. When it comes to digestion, turmeric is a force to be reckoned with. With its vibrant hue and potent flavor, this golden spice doesn't just add a little zing to your food. It also packs a mean punch in the wellness ring. Imagine a bustling city, your digestive system, with countless processes happening at any given moment. Now, picture turmeric as a smooth operator, ensuring everything runs like clockwork. It stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which then aids in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. A real dynamo, isn't it? But that's not all. Turmeric also rolls up its sleeves and gets to work as a natural blood thinner. It's like the traffic cop of your body, ensuring a smooth flow of traffic, or in this case, blood. It prevents clots and keeps things moving, reducing the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about the liver, your body's personal detox center. Turmeric lends a helping hand here too, enhancing the liver's ability to detoxify the body. It's like having an extra set of hands doing the spring cleaning, but instead of dust bunnies, we're talking about harmful toxins. So, in the grand scheme of things, turmeric is like that reliable friend who's got your back, ensuring your digestive system is running smoothly, your blood is flowing freely, and your liver is effectively doing its detox duties. For a happy gut, turmeric might just be your best bet. Who knew that the secret to glowing skin could be lurking in your spice rack? Yes, you heard it right. Turmeric, the humble yellow spice, is a beauty boss, a titan of skin health, a maestro of weight management, and a master at easing those pesky headaches and migraines. Let's start with the skin. Turmeric is your skin's best friend. It's like that trusty companion who always has your back, or in this case, your face. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties work wonders. They help reduce redness, soothe irritations, and fight off pesky free radicals that age your skin faster than a cheetah on a caffeine high. So, if you want to keep those wrinkles at bay and maintain that youthful glow, turmeric is your go-to guy. Moving on, let's talk about weight loss. Turmeric isn't just a pretty face, it's got some serious substance too. It aids in weight loss by helping to boost your metabolism. Think of it as the personal trainer you never knew you had, pushing your body to burn those calories more efficiently. So while you're sprinkling turmeric on your curry, you're also sprinkling a little magic on your weight loss journey. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric can also be a knight in shining armor for those struggling with headaches and migraines. Its anti-inflammatory properties work to reduce the inflammation and nerve irritation that are often at the heart of these conditions. So the next time you feel a headache coming on, remember, turmeric might just be the hero you need. In conclusion, turmeric is not just a spice, it's a beauty boss, a health hero, and a wellness warrior. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to improve skin health, aid in weight loss, and reduce headaches and migraines. It's like having a personal health and beauty expert right there in your kitchen. So, for beauty that's more than skin deep, don't forget to embrace the power of turmeric. And there you have it, 30 benefits of turmeric, the golden spice with a golden touch. We've journeyed through its anti-inflammatory prowess, antioxidant abilities, cognitive boosting power, digestive aid potential, and even its role as a beauty enhancer. It's clear that this vibrant spice is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. So why not add a dash of gold to your meals and reap the rewards? If you enjoyed this journey through the world of turmeric and want more informative and engaging content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay golden.